Let's unbox the Toho Challenge 2025. This year's theme is Sonoran Sunset, and you can see there are lots of seed beads in here and some gorgeous colours, lots of greens and purples, browns, pinky sunset colours. I've got some prestige crystals, 2 Rivolis and some bicones there. And lots of seed beads. There's some browns, which are not something I use a lot, but there's some lovely fire polish. These are Picasso, which was a really fun colour to use. And there's heaps of seed beads and some cradle beads, which I've not used before. So that's exciting. I love turquoise seed beads, so I'll definitely be including these. Yeah, some more of the cradle beads there as well. And yeah, that's it. Lots and lots of seed beads. These are all 11s and there's a few 8s in there as well. So there's going to be plenty for me to explore and play with. In lots of like base colours, which will be really handy, and some greens. These ginkgos are just stunning. The colour is Bronze Apollo, which is just stunning. I've not seen those before. And I've just got loads of seed beads and I can't wait to get my teeth into these. So yeah, I can't wait to share this with you. More fire polish. And I just love these green seed beads too. And some gem duos, which are really fun to work with. I can't wait to get stuck in.